Yo, check this out, guys. This little badass right here. It's the Red Demon Nano Fighter and it's about to blow your mind, seriously. Look at that sleek, fire engine red body so tiny you could palm it, but don't let its size fool you. This thing's lighter than a bag of chips, but packs a punch like you wouldn't believe. Six rounds of ammo, baby. You can pop 'em off one by one, pew pew pew, or let 'em rain in rapid fire mode, and guess what? Those bright red missiles. They ray practically glowing, so you'll never lose them in the grass. A solid meter, plenty to nail your targets indoors or out. The controller's dumb easy to use, no rocket science here. Just grab it, throttle up, and watch this thing glide like a dream. Seriously smooth flight, zero wobbles, perfect for rookies or pros showing off. So whether you're bombing your siblings' Lego fortress or just flexing in the park, the Red Demon's got your back, ready to dominate. Let's fly.
完美。